demonstrate or I will better sense. So friend, the basic setup and the requirement, the good gastroviso, rider, everything we have already showcased, and that may save a life in case of a critical situations. So the must to have instrument, the fine vascular forceps, fine gastroviso, and the fine vascular, and the need of a good this magnification minimum 3 or 3.5x. This is my personal loop, as I said before, and this is and these are fine sutures, vascular needle, 13 mm needle in the first suture. This is the second suture which I am taking, that will be at next slide. So simple technique, friends. You have to keep practicing. Mistakes will get amplified. So if you do such kind of an answer to all the situations,